Hivo, we have a new intro. We have a new intro. Says she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Whoa, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and join the community. We are fun, we are loving, we are scrumptious. Anyway, okay, as you can see from the title, we are doing a review and I'm going to be unboxing Takealot products. I've already opened the box because I ordered 2 things from Takealot. Well, one thing about Takealot, I ordered like a day ago and it arrived, I think, is it Friday today? I ordered on Wednesday and it was here this morning. I am so happy that it's a new year. I want to do more videos like this. I must sit downs, I want to collaborate, and I ordered a mic because we are glowing up this year, so I want to make sure to have content almost every 2 weeks. I declare that this year is going to be so amazing for us. I'm manifesting it, I'm going to pray about it, and there's just so many things that I want to achieve with my life that I haven't been able to. Okay, I like rambling, so let me just get straight into it. Okay, because I ordered 2 things. You see, Takealot. Takealot. Okay, it comes in this box. What I like about Takealot now, see, they used to come in those big packages, you know. But they've sized down now. So we'll see. Bogis was small and everything. The reason why I opened this is because I thought it was going to be a mic, and if it was a mic I was going to do the unboxing of the mic first, because beginning of the year I just wanted to put out quality content, right? So anyway, this is the box. There's 2 things here. 2023, we are glowing up, we are taking care of our health, we are getting our businesses and everything. So I ordered 2 things. Okay, so it came in this little package thing. These are resistant bands because I want to start doing home workouts. Because I had a gym membership before and I really wasn't using it, so it came in this. I'm just opening it. I had a gym membership before and I wasn't really using it. So let me put this down. I wasn't really using it. So big Jimmy Mali basically. So I thought to myself, you know what? Let me just start doing home workouts and see how far I get, rather than going to the gym and paying. And I live very far from Pietermaritzburg or any gym. One thing my dad did, for me, some spoils, was he bought me a treadmill. So I'm gonna start just exercising from home, doing my workouts that need resistance, and I needed a resistant band. I'm gonna put the prices and the link down in the description box. This is a brand called Wdym. I don't know which material this is, but I don't like it that much. I selected this one because apparently it's stronger than the other one. When I saw the reviews, people have been complaining about the normal latexy resistant bands. It pops and it breaks easily, so I wanted to invest in these, but they seem a little bit too big. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do 2 videos and I'm gonna try to use this and see how well it works, because the resistance is there, but I feel like it's a little bit too big. So I'm gonna do another video, and I feel like they're the same size. Are they the same size? Yeah, all 3 of them, and I like them so much. They're so cute. Maybe I'm gonna give one to my mother. Yeah, and then they're so cute, so cute. Maybe I should just look more on the exercises I need to do. Let's see. This works. Guys, please don't judge my jersey. I live in South Africa. Let me see. I'm gonna squat. 1, 2. Yeah, there is resistance. It's not that big, hey? It's not that big. Let me see. Ooh. And I like that it's not sliding down. I think that's the reason for the material. This material. It just grips. I like it. I like it. I like it, yeah. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. And next up is voila. You know, guys, I've been having a really tough time with my skin. My skin is always breaking out and always doing that. And I've been seeing on TikTok and on YouTube, and so many people have been using collagen supplements, and they use pills. I don't take pills. I don't like pills that much. I don't know, maybe it's a phobia of mine, but unless I'm dying, I never take pills. So I opted for the powder. I'm also going to put the prices aside. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was on promotion too. Okay, I don't know if it's the one that they use. Okay, it's a daily collagen supplements drink. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to insert a picture. 200 grams and 40 servings. I want to take it in this month, so I'm going to come back in a month to review on the benefits it's had on my skin. I'm going to write down the benefits on the side as well, because so many people have been talking about it. This is unflavored hydrolyzed collagen peptides. So it's good for your skin, your joints, and your hair. So it supports skin, hair, and joints. Basically, that's what is here in the description. And the directions of use is you take 1 scoop. Yellow. Okay, so good here. 1 scoop. We'll fire that in 250 milliliters of water in the smoothie cup. So I already have my cup here and my water. And it's so nice to have these smoothie cups because it measures for you. This is 250. It's more like 280. Okay, that's more like 250. So I'm gonna take the scoop. Ooh, daddy. I'm gonna give you beautiful skin from the get-go and whatnot. Hey, please don't mind this. So basically, it's not gonna give you like good skin. And there was a doctor who actually spoke about collagen. The craziest thing about collagen, about using collagen, there's no guarantee it's actually going to make your skin glow. The doctor was saying they're not sure of milliliters. Hey, okay, 1 scoop. So he's not sure. The one thing you can never guarantee with collagen, it's going to go straight to your skin, because in palisa and everything. So there's no guarantee that you're going to have great skin, which is why I'm reviewing this. I want to see my skin before and after using collagen. So if my skin is absolutely flawless and everything and it's better, I can see the difference, that means that it worked. But it can't kill you and it's not addictive. So what you gonna do? Okay, just shake it. Ooh. Okay, let me taste it. I don't know, it doesn't taste great. I don't know, child. Doesn't taste that great, hey? Anyway, thank you for watching my video, and I'm gonna come back with a review afterwards of what it's done for my skin and everything. And yeah, thank you for supporting me. Road to 1K subscribers in March. I have at least 900 subscribers by March. I feel like I'm aiming too high because I don't put that much content out. But anyway, I am manifesting by May. I'm gonna have 1K subscribers. So that is in the works. And thank you guys for supporting me, and thank you for the DMs that I've been getting. So many people check up on me and I appreciate it so much. and I appreciate comments. So please comment, and follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok. I'm very hilarious because I'll make you laugh. I'm not that serious. But anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. Say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Whoa.